Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of my November Curlbox. So let's do this together. Right, so we're gonna open it up. Got a little card that just says to show off my style using the Curlbox hashtag, and there is a little booklet with information on the items. So this is a brand that I've never seen before. It is called, I think I've never seen it, One and Only Argan Oil. So let me show you what I have. Here's the shampoo. It is a moisture repair shampoo. So it's formulated with argan oil and acacia collagen. I hope I'm saying that right. And it combats signs of aging hair. I'm trying to see, my hair is getting old. I do not see any silicones in the shampoo. It happens. So it's saying that it doesn't have sulfates in the little booklet. Next is the moisture repair conditioner. This has dimethicone. I see that. There's some other ingredients that I haven't heard of, but so this has dimethicone. I do use silicone, so it doesn't really bother me. Next is a strengthening restorative mask, and this only says to leave it for 7 to 10 minutes. It's strengthening and restorative. And then there's the defining curl cream. All of these have the acacia collagen along with the argan oil, and the curl cream, it just says to distribute evenly. So hopefully the curl cream alone will hold my hair. We'll see when I do my wash and go. And last but not least, there's an argan oil treatment. This it just says apply a small amount to wet or dry hair. It eliminates frizz. This probably has silicones in it. Yes, it does. It has dimethicone and cyclopentasiloxane that I mentioned in a previous video. I will be using these, and of course, after I use them, I will wash my hair with a clarifying shampoo because of the silicones. I do clarify if I use a product with silicone, and I'm switching to a product that doesn't have it. So if I'm gonna use a product with silicone and then my next wash and go also has silicones, I might not clarify. It just depends on how I feel. But if I am going from a silicone product to products that none of them have silicone, I'm definitely clarifying. So that is my Curlbox. I can't wait to try these. So when I do my wash and go with these items, you'll see, and I'll let you know how I like them. Thanks for joining me in this unboxing of my November Curlbox. I am glad you came, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.